This is the effect, you guys, of the Korean skincare products that I use. I just have like a small breakout right here. I think I got this from staying up late last night, but that's fine. It's gonna just fade in no time. And I just love the Korean skincare product, you guys. It's just so amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you all my morning skincare routine. If you're interested to know the products that I use for my morning skincare routine, just keep on watching. Okay guys, today I am not wearing any makeup, just lipstick, because I will be showing you how I do my morning skincare and also the products that I use. So over a year ago, I also shared a video where I did my morning skincare routine, but I was using a totally different product. It was just a few weeks ago I decided to change to a different brand or to different products for my skincare, because I have seen a lot of YouTube videos from big YouTubers that you know, Asian skin is different from Western skin. So I switched to Asian products, specifically Korean brand products. I just got rid of the previous products that I used. This time I will be showing you all the products that I love, and these products works really great with my skin compared to the previous skincare products that I use. I should have known since before. I should have watched a lot of YouTube videos about how to take care of your skin, what type of products you have to use on the particular or on the type of skin you have. Let me go ahead and show you the products that I use for my morning skincare. The facial wash that I use for my morning skincare is called Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, and this is from COSRX. This product works really great with my skin, and it's formulated with purifying botanical ingredients with low pH formula that works soothe and refresh and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. So this is exactly what I have been looking for on a facial cleanser, something that is mild and something that got like low pH. So this is very important. I also use this on nighttime. Also, it's just not only for daytime, but you can also use this for nighttime. So this is just so lovely. I love how it feels on my face. I just use like a small amount of this gel cleanser on my wet skin in the morning, and then rinse with water, then pat your face dry and continue on my next step. So the next step would be the toner. So this is from Secret Key. This is from Secret Key, and this toner is Aloe Soothing Moist Toner for all skin types. I love this toner. I think this is the best toner that I have ever used by far. It doesn't contain any alcohol or something that would strip off, you know, that would strip off your skin's moisture. This is actually moisturizing without making your face too oily. I so love this, and I think this is going to be my holy grail toner. I prefer this one to be like spray instead of using like cotton to apply on my face, because I'm just so used to something that I could spray on my face. But definitely this is my go-to toner. It just feels so light on my face. And the next skincare that I use after the toner is for daytime, of course, I use the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream from COSRX. So this is the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. It is very important to use this, most especially in the morning, or if you're going out outdoors. And it is also very important to have a sunscreen, like to have this 50+ SPF on your skin, of course, to prevent your skin from getting sunspots, wrinkles, and it's just really too it's just so bad for your skin if you're gonna expose it to the sun without any protection. So this is just so important on daytime, and I use something on nighttime, but I will make another video for my nighttime skincare routine, so just stay tuned for that video soon. So this is my go-to skincare, or my go-to moisturizer in the morning. After I apply my moisturizer, I use this. It is called J1 Jelly Pack by Recipe, and it just helps, it just improves the elasticity of your skin, and it kind of works like a primer because it minimizes your pores, I guess. So I have like a small breakout right here. I don't know why, but that's fine. And this product is so amazing. I have just been using this for like 2 days. Like, yeah, I've just been using this for 2 days. So I have not seen that much result yet, but I could feel that this product will work really great on my skin. It's so lightweight, and I just love how it feels on my skin. It makes it soft and supple. So this product is so amazing, and it's kind of gel, like it's not a serum, but the consistency, it's like is gel. And then I apply it on my face and also my neck, by the way. The next product that I use for my face is called Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop by Claire's. So this is also a Korean brand. I love this product as well, you guys. It's a serum, and this is a pure vitamin C and Centella Asiatica extracts hybrid stabilization technology. And the vitamin drop is a unique and effective serum formulated with pure vitamin C, stabilized L-ascorbic acid, mildly improved skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. So this is very interesting. Couple uses, it already like brightened up my skin and my skin tone. Also, it kind of erased the previous scars from my pimple and the dark spots. I only apply like 1 or 2 drops on my face, and also like a little bit on my neck, and I'm good to go. It's just so amazing. I love how it works. So this is kind of pricey. I think I bought this for like 27 bucks. So I don't mind investing my money on this type of product because it is really working so great on my skin. It worked so well, and I could already notice like a big difference of using it for like a couple of weeks. So this product is just so amazing. I also use this Snail Moisture Soothing Gel from Farmstay. I would normally use this gel every time I come back from outdoors. I'm gonna clean up my face, freshen it up, and I'm gonna apply this Snail Soothing Moisture Gel, and it works really great on my skin. It gives elasticity and luster on my skin when it's short of nutrition. So it kind of moisturizes my skin without making it too oily. I just so love how it works, and I think I just have to marry all these products, and I won't ever change. Hopefully you guys, these products are just highly recommended, and I have read a lot of great reviews about these brands on YouTube from big YouTubers. So that's why I gave it a try and I did not regret. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for my morning skincare routine. I hope you all like this video. And if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, what type of skincare do you use in the morning, or if you have any products that you could suggest, just let me know by leaving a comment down below. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. If you end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will see you next time. Bye!